Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and we have a little more information about what Microsoft means about the unsupported versions of Windows. It is something that was, frankly, and it still continues to be the most moronic, stupid way of Microsoft talking about stuff. Now, the first was hype of a lot of enthusiasts because, we can get Windows 11. It's fine. It's going to work. We can simply, have it, but unsupported, meaning, you get what you get and don't ask us about anything. And that was the right way to do it. Honestly, why not give enthusiasts the possibility to run Windows 11? And, most enthusiasts that will want to have Windows 11 and are not at the minimum requirements would, with their knowledge, go to Windows 11 and be happy and use it and know that, it's not supposed to run, but it's running. And then Microsoft, the next day, has decided to actually give us a little more details of what it means when they kind of say that you're on your own and whatever happens is your it's your problem. That some of the things won't work and some of the things won't be supported. And we kind of wanted to know, because the first announcement was, so what does it mean? What does it mean that we're not supported in such a operating system? So the unsupported upgrade now has kind of a twist to it. Microsoft has kind of said, well, if you do get Windows 11 on unsupported machines, you won't get updates. So that's the first what? And apparently you won't even get security updates of Patch Tuesday when you go to Windows 11 on an unsupported device. So that kind of is really dumb, honestly. I don't get it. Really, Microsoft? That's the way you want to do things, and that's the way you want to piss off everybody? I mean, this is the most stupid thing that I can imagine that Microsoft do, for several reasons. First of all, so you get Windows 11, but you don't get updates. How dumb can that be? I mean, why don't you just give updates and security updates and, happens what happens. You tell people, this feature won't work for you. Okay, fine. No security updates. How many people are going to run Windows 11 with unsupported, no security updates? So there's going to be like tons of security flaws suddenly in Windows 11. Really? I hope this is a big joke because Microsoft is ultra dumb, ultra stupid if they actually go in that direction. And I don't know who's the idiot behind this decision, but come on. Microsoft, can you decide and say something clear? Can you just say, here's what going to run Windows 11, here's what is unsupported, but we're going to let you go to Windows 11. Some features won't work, and that's it. Nope, they have to add, a few hours later, stupid comments about, you won't get security updates, you won't get updates. Come on, Microsoft. You are just making your user base extra mad. And you know what? This is the worst thing that you could do right now. And already with the first, set of updates that Windows 11 was not supported in so many devices that a lot of people were mad. Now you're making them mad again because you kind of said, oh, look, You can do it. Oh, no, you can't because, well, you can, but you won't get updates. I was like, oh, come on. Please, Microsoft, wake up. And it's really time to do something and talk to people and say things clearly and stop being stupid. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.